Today we are going to learn how to make this drop-down menu in Figma in just 3 steps. Create a local variable, add string variable and set the text to select size. Add a text and connect the variable just created. Set the width to fixed content. Duplicate the frame and add sizes. Add auto layout and add a fill and round those corners. Add a drop down arrow icon. Switch to prototype and use these settings. In the variable settings, duplicate it as per requirement and add them to a single frame. Now change sizes and repeat. Create a component and add a variant. Hide the list and make sure they are in a single frame. Hide the list and make sure your frame is set to hug. Again, switch to prototype and use these settings. Now add an addition setting to return the variant to original state along with the updated text. Add a stroke if you want. And that's how you create a drop-down menu in Figma.